goody, man? Just over here chilling. About to break down. Guys watching a psychology video. But I want to start off the premise saying that, bro, it's been a rough ass week. Took another L of $20 on my funded. And this is ultimately the trade that made me lose. This is a trade that made me lose because I saw price go back below a level. I mean, like let's analyze it together, right? So as you can see, price had that indication, right? Had that indication, then it had a correction, but then it started making higher highs, started breaking lower highs. Oh, this could be considered a lower high. And then, yeah, these are swings because price pushed up, went down, then it broke that. If it was going to continue the trend, it was just supposed to move up, then move down, right? But I feel like with gold, I don't know, bro, because like it's not really like, I don't know, bro. Like I really don't know, because you had that indication here. Price corrected, moved up, then moved down. Could have taken that sell from here, held it till wherever. But did the same thing here, broke this swing because I was buys here, pushed it up again, then it dropped. Then it started correcting, but then it started breaking lower highs now because here's a swing. Broke this, but I didn't notice this, if I'm being honest. If I put this, okay, I think I've got a lot of tabs open. Let me close that. Let me close that. Oh, you weren't supposed to see that. You weren't. So that's indication, right? Break above a level. This should have been my sign, seeing that price is now changing characters, because it's not supposed to break lower highs, because it moved up, pushed down, and then it moved up again, closed, indication. I was like, what? Price is not supposed to do that. I was so married to the bias, and I just learned yesterday, or a few days back, follow price. I didn't. So it had that indication, right? This was, so it sold off during London session. Then come New York, it just pushed up, indicated. Corrected in the morning, stopped here, pushed up, gave us that continuation, right? Because in the 15-minute, I actually could have taken buys back to this swing level, and that would have been my trade. But no, but okay, this was like way early, like way early. Wonder what US 30 is doing right now. So if I go on 15-minute, okay, it just spiked. But where did we get that indication that price was ready to buy? Above that level. Okay, so high, lower high, lower high. So I could have taken that buy off of because on the 15-minute we wanna wait for the price to do the same thing. So if I was realistically looking at this, right, how would I have actually taken it? Okay, it actually did close above, just barely though, but anyway, it did break structure. So I would have taken it there, put my stops below there, below that low, and then yeah, target that swing high. This would have been a 1-3, almost 1-4. Not a bad trade, right? but we didn't take that because we were so married to our buys, and we essentially didn't follow price, which is our mistake, right? Because we were so hung up on this bias. So I can even get rid of this now because price now is just moving up now. So we could expect it to actually break this, break this swing high. Sorry, break this swing high, and we can take both buys, right? So I didn't see this, and then the price came below that level, started selling off. So I'm like, okay, price is actually going to sell off. So then it started pushing up again, and what did it do? Broke a swing high again. This is what I noticed now. I was supposed to take a sell. I was in profits for a bit. Actually, no, I took it here. And then look, ultimately I stopped out. Yeah, so this moved up already. I don't know why I took buy or sell, or I took sells because I was waiting for the same reaction below that level, that initial level that we got here. Price did not do that. So this is what should have happened, right? This is what should have happened. So price was moving down. Okay, it broke level buys. So I should have taken sells off of, because it had the same reaction underneath. Pushed up, failed to push up, then moved down. So I could have taken sells off of this, but that would have been a very short-lived sell because look, price broke below, corrected. I would have entered off of this candle. Probably would have targeted this. That would have been a scalp, but we don't scalp here. We day trade, unless the market doesn't give us, what we wanted to give us. So here it pushed back up again. Still didn't change my bias. Still did not change my bias. So here's a swing high because price moved left and then moved down with this red candle. So here's the level where it actually indicated that it wanted to be bullish now, that the trend is reversing because it gave us higher lows now. I don't know why I didn't see that indicated, right? Then it was consolidating, but it was still kind of correcting at the same time. Pushed up again, so meaning above this level, still bullish. Then indicated move down. Gave us another equal low, equal low, started pushing up. So I should have been married to the bias where I was gonna wait for the same indication on this time frame. See, move down, give us an equal low. What did it do? It broke structure here. Oh, could have gone up. Wait. Yeah, it indicated here on that 1 hour. Then on the 15-minute, I'm waiting for price to do the same thing. So it indicated above this, right? Indicated above this level. Here. Yeah. Above this level, then started correcting. So I should have waited for price to come back above that level. So I could have actually because I would have actually taken it here. Yeah, I actually would have taken it here. Would I have been wrong? Because it's still above that level where price is at. So I should have probably set my stop loss somewhere there. Because I could have targeted that low, but look, I would have been stopped out. But then we're still above that level and then target that. But that was going to give us a shit risk to reward, if I'm being honest. But amen. Or indicated, corrected. I could have actually taken it because I was struggling to push above here. Maybe off of this candle. And then set my stops below that level. Wouldn't have been stopped out. But that was if I was like really paying attention. Then targeted that level. Gave us a nice 1 to 6. That would have been a proper entry. But I didn't follow price. So that's a mistake. So now I learned now. I should always just follow price, bro. Like, just follow price. Follow, follow, follow price, bro. So yeah, we ultimately got stopped out, but it's fine. Okay, we're still learning, but it's fine. Let's go over to Nas US 30. All the other pairs are not really playing out the way I want them to play out, but it's okay. Yeah, I expected US 30 to do that, to sell off. If it closes below, then we can expect the same reaction below this level, because there's more red candles than blue candles underneath this level. But I'm not looking into this trade. I already took 2 trades today. I lost 1. I'm currently still in German 30. Let's see how that one is doing. Okay, so I entered this one very early in the morning, like around this candle, and then it just got violent and then pushed down. Didn't hit my TP though, because my TP is here with the initial, with yesterday's trade. Yesterday's trade I got stopped out. Did I? Yeah, I got stopped out yesterday. The price had moved. Oh yeah, I got stopped out. Yes, because in the session in the AMs, when the market closed and then it opened, it just ended up here. How, I have no fucking idea. Then I'm like, okay, nah, price is still gonna move back down below that level. Then I entered here, boom, it dropped aggressively in the AMs. Then it came back up again. Then I set my stop loss like somewhere here by this level where I put this alert, because I kind of don't want to watch price anymore. Kind of like tired. And then I entered this morning. Then session came in, then pushed it down, gave me that strong push in the volume, but then started correcting. So here I could see it didn't break any level. I thought it was going to break this level of buys here, but it didn't. Ended up selling off here, so it's struggling to move up. So I guess it's gave us equal lower highs, but it did give us a higher low. But then price was just I'm expecting price to actually continue. So this trade we're still in. I'm actually targeting this. This was my first TP, but I'm like, yeah, there is a level of bias, but there's still this level here that I really want to target. I could target this one. Actually, let me set an alert here. Hey. Nah, let me just let price be up, because I could have closed when it started pushing up, but I'm like, nah, you know what? I'm gonna just let price do its thing. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out. I'm just following my plan. I'm not trying to flake it or anything. But yeah, German 30's price action is really fucking crap. I'm seeing that it has been so choppy, bro, this whole week. That's why I was losing. This strategy does not work in choppy markets. It works in trading markets. So yeah, bro, this thing was just choppy, bro, because I'm waiting for that initial indication, bro. But it's doing the same thing it did a few months back, where it gave us that huge sell-off, then it started correcting, and it was just ranging the whole time. And then the same thing, bro, it did the shit. This is the exact same thing it did. It was so choppy when it was moving down, not really much structure, so many wicks and rejections, and then it decided to end up selling off, but then it didn't hit that level that I wanted it to hit same time. It got there, got close, then pushed back up again, range, and then eventually it hit that level. So it's doing the same thing that I expected to do. And yeah, kind of wanted it to do this, but yeah, man, German 30 is just really choppy, bro. I don't know what it is, honestly, but I'm still in profit at least. Hopefully price gives me what it does, what it needs to do. And then yeah, that's basically the setups we took. It's Friday. Oh, I'm not gonna trade. And I got a dope ass video coming out. It's just basically I've taken 50 trades at this point. 50 trades with the strategy and a plan and everything. It's not just because I've taken more than that, obviously, but that was before I even knew what I was doing. but now I know what I'm doing and I'm tracking my progress. So yeah, 50 trades in, that's crazy. Like 50 journal trades, consistent journal trades from August to October. But yeah, we're gonna see. I'm gonna go read that book and see how far my mentality has come. And yeah, so I guess I gotta journal this one and then be done. But that's it, man. I'm gonna go watch Gen V now. I'm kind of tired. But yeah, boys. You know, I gotta. Yeah, you know what I'm saying.